Hi everyone, good morning. I'm Akar. Today we have Mr. Luis with us from WTS. Hi Mr. Luis, how are you doing today?
Hi Akram, thanks for the invitation.
Thank you so much for being here. I'll just get started with the questions. First question for you is, can you provide an overview of WTS's role in the apparel and fashion industry?
WTS is a Peruvian North American company. Basically, our dream was to share with the US market, basically 90% of our market is the USA, the tradition of the Peruvian textiles. No? We're a small country, we're a small exporter to the USA, and we wanted the American market and American brands to understand the beauty of our history, the handcraft of our artisans, the quality of our cottons, tanguis, and henna, and how better to do it opening a showroom in New York. So we're the only Peruvian company that has a showroom in the heart of the fashion district in New York.
Wonderful. All right. What are WTS's key strengths or differentiators in the market?
Well, I mentioned that we have, and it's not an office, it's really a showroom where we have a big assortment of products so the clients can go immediately and pick and choose product and go immediately to collections of production. Also, what we have built, it's a complete supply chain. WTS doesn't own yarn mills or doesn't own cotton fields. What we do is we just partner with different players. No, what we do is when we talk about partnership, it's how are their needs, what does WTS need, how can we multiply the value of those yarn suppliers, fabric suppliers, even logistics suppliers. We have a warehouse in Miami where we can hold more than 2 million units.
Oh, wonderful.
So for our clients, this is not just a fashion solution, it's a logistics solution, no? Where we put the garments into the warehouse after helping them with the whole supply chain.
Wonderful. What operational challenges led WTS to consider an ERP solution, and how did these pain points impact your growth, efficiency, and profitability?
Well, first, WTS is a company that has grown very fast. In 15 years, we're the leader of the textile business in Peru. Only 15 years, and we're competing with factories that are over 50, 60 years so far since they were created. So we have grown very fast commercially, but we haven't grown technically in terms of structure. No? So, and the business is changing every year, fast and fast. When I started 30, 40 years ago, there was 2 collections a year. Now we have clients that have 12 collections a year.
Wow.
And they want samples every month in quick turn. So our system based on Excels and just word charts doesn't support what the clients are required. No? So we're getting slower, we're making mistakes. So the challenge and the reason why we chose to go into ERP is just to go to the next level.
Wonderful. Now, since we're talking about ERP, what made WFX Cloud ERP the right choice for WTS compared to other solutions that you must have considered?
Well, we have been almost 6 years working on the ERP. Twice internally, it failed. So the third time, we decided to buy an ERP. No? And we know whoever tells you that their ERP is going to fit almost perfectly your solutions is not true. The reality is that even the best ERP like yours fits 60 to 70% any company's need. And as I told you, the way WTS has been created, it's a very complicated machine because we're not a factory, we're not an agent. So sometimes we buy yarns, we buy product, we hold inventory in Miami. So it's like a hybrid of different business. The most important part is that 60, 70% of the companies match your requirements, but the balance needs to be done with people. And that's where when I met, we had a few calls with the team, and I said, well, this is the people that I feel comfortable. I think, the machines you can buy, the equipment you can buy, you can invest. If you go to the bank and you get the money. But getting to the right people, that's very, very difficult. And not even at the CEO level like me, but my team at the technical level, they felt very, very happy and very comfortable dealing with the WFX team.
Thank you so much for your words. What key improvements or efficiencies do you anticipate with the WFX Cloud ERP implementation?
Well, as I was telling you, we grew too fast. I think our team is overstressed, working long hours. And not only working long hours, but do manual work, repetitive work. So we're losing some very talented professionals because they get bored doing, entering POs and just number crunching all day. So for sure, with WFX ERP, we're gonna make mechanical things immediately. Nobody's gonna do it, or we're gonna save a lot of time doing some POs introduction and other data entering.
Yes.
So people it's gonna have more time, liberate time to do more medical things, more creative. There's a lot of creative people that's frustrated because they're 70%.
Yes, that's so true.
Computer. No.
Yeah.
I think that's gonna be the main thing internally, and to the clients, they're gonna see that's gonna be a faster service.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I think that by reducing the amount of mechanical things, again, our team is gonna have more time to help the client to give them a better service.
Yeah.
What do you need?
Yes.
Analysis of the market, research of new clients.
That's true.
So more than thinking of reducing the staff, is that how can we serve better and grow without adding more people? Well,
True. Wonderful. And lastly, how does this WFX Cloud ERP align with WTS's long-term growth strategy? And how has your experience has been with the WFX team so far?
What I see long term, and that's something I have experienced, especially this weekend. I was with other clients, is how you guys can adapt. No, as the business grows, instead of you forcing the client to take what your system or your program is, what does my client need? How can I build, or how can I modify the ERP so my client, let's say we open an office or a factory somewhere in South America. Hey, how can we adapt? Let's say it's Brazil. It's a different mentality, a different government rules. So instead of just us forcing the ERP to get adapted, I see from what I talk with different of your clients how WFX has grown and adapted.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for being here.